Business and Professions Code 7028 makes it a crime in California to act as a contractor when you don't have a current valid license from the contractor's state license board. Now, a lot of people ask me, how does the law define a contractor? What does it mean to act as a contractor? The law says that a contractor is anyone who constructs, alters, repairs, improves, or demolishes a building, structure, or other project. There is something called a small work exception for projects where the contract is for less than $500. Now, a violation under Business and Professions Code 7028 is a misdemeanor and carries a penalty of up to 6 months in county jail. There are other consequences as well. If you're convicted of contracting without a license, you may be precluded from later obtaining a contractor's license, and you may be precluded from enforcing the contract and getting paid for any work that you completed. Although the consequences are serious, as you can see, the fact is that a lot of innocent people get wrongly accused of this crime. You may not have been acting as a contractor. You may merely have been someone's employee. You may have been doing work that falls under the small work exception. If you've been charged with contracting without a license under Business and Professions Code 7028, we invite you to contact us here at Shouse Law Group. We may be able to help you get the charges reduced or dismissed.